Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today, my group will present our group project and the topic is Sustainable Entrepreneurship, New Sustainable Trends in IR 4.0 Disruption. My name is Nur Izzati binti Azman and my friend that will present with me today is Nur Izzatul Huda binti Muhtar, Nur Halwani binti Cik Mat, and the last one is Tuan Fatin Zulaika binti Tuan Muhammad Rukiman. We go to the first slide, which is Introduction. Industry 4.0 is a revolution in manufacturing, and it brings a whole new perspective to the industry on how manufacturing can collaborate with the new technologies to get maximum output with minimal resources utilization. Industry 4.0 is a German project that has amalgamated manufacturing with information technology. The outcome of his collaboration results in the development of factories that are smart. In example, they are highly efficient in resources utilization, and they adapt very quickly to meet management goals and current industry scenarios. The information technology part in Industry 4.0 consists of a cyber-physical system, which is CPS, cloud computing, and the Internet of Things, which is IoT. It is the CPS that makes the whole factory adaptable. It is a system formed by the integration of physical systems. And the case of manufacturing is a machine such as CNC to a processing unit such as a computer.
The objective for our presentation is, firstly, to explain in more detail relation to sustainable entrepreneurship. Second, to clarify the new sustainable trend in IR 4.0. And lastly, describe new sustainable trend in IR 4.0 disruptions.
Next, we go to the sustainable entrepreneurship. Recently, studies has emerged that link entrepreneurship to sustainability and cover the broad concept of sustainable entrepreneurship, including economic, environmental, and social value. Socially, modern entrepreneur technologies can be instruments for addressing environmental and social issues, and sustainable business and community can be realized. Traditionally, entrepreneurship is recognized as an important pathway to creating products and processes that address increasing social and environmental problems, and is considered profit-centered with economic and financial performance. Sustainable entrepreneurship is an understanding how opportunities to bring into existence future goods and services are discovered, created, and exploited by whom and with what economic, psychological, social, and environmental consequences.
Okay, let's continue. New sustainable trend. 1. Reduction of energy consumption. Cities like New York and Berkeley, California, are implementing requirements for commercial buildings to upgrade from CFL and incandescents to LED bulbs. Electric vehicles are being used in load transportation. Second, changes in energy production. There is a growing trend towards microgeneration of electricity in homes. Renewable energy is increasingly affordable, enabling businesses and individuals to invest in renewable energy. Number 3, demand for plant-based food increased due to environmental benefits. The Beyond Meat and Impossible Burgers have earned menu spots at vegan and non-vegan restaurants alike. In the United States alone, agriculture and forestry accounted for 9.0% of 2017 US greenhouse gas emissions in 2017. 26% of land on Earth is used for livestock grazing, and one-third of arable land is used to produce crops exclusively to feed livestock. Number 4. The fall of fast fashion. Fast fashion like H&M, Forever 21, Fashion Nova, and Urban Outfitters create cheap, machine-made clothing. One of the up-and-coming sustainable trends is smaller entrepreneurial brands focused on reducing waste in production. Continue. Number 5. Carbon negative gains popularity. Carbon negative gains popularity, also called the push toward zero emissions. Not only will companies that commit to carbon zero likely see an upswing in investors, they will set a standard for future companies. Number 6. Big tech takes on sustainability. Virtual technologies are helping organizations become more sustainable by enabling faster access to better quality information. The proliferation and affordability of physical technologies mean more end users are likely to add renewables and other grid-edge resources to their energy portfolios. Lastly, 7. The rise of green microgrids. As extreme weather becomes more common due to climate change, electrical interruptions are increasing. The declining cost of photovoltaic means PV and battery storage solutions have made microgrid projects affordable.
My name is Nurizatul Huda binti Muhtar, and I will continue for the next slide, which is Industrial Revolution 4.0. Industry 4.0 is an emerging concept deriving from technological advancement and disruptive development in the industrial sector worldwide in the past few years. Industry 4.0, represented by the high growth in technology-enabled platform, has disrupted the existing industry structure and created new ways of consuming goods through the combination of demand and supply. It defined a methodology applying emerging technologies to revolutionize the current production that transit from machine-dominant manufacturing to digital manufacturing. The first industrial revolution used steam engine, which flourished the textile industry and other mechanization systems. Meanwhile, the second industrial revolution introduced electrically powered mass production, create telegraph and railroad system, also creating steel industry. The third industrial revolution propelled the global economic development and the manufacturing advancement by utilizing information and automation technology. However, there is a discourse arguing that Industry 4.0 is not only regarding integrating technologies, but concerning the whole concept of how to acquire, share, use, organize data and resources to make the product or service deliver fast, cheaper, also more effective and more sustainable. The next slide is Industry 4.0 disruption. According to Invesco Global Investor Forum Summit 2018, unlike the disruption of the first three industrial revolutions, IR 4.0 has elements that replace it capital for labor rather than complementary labor. Industry 4.0 has brought a number of new disruptive technologies that have altered the approach of delivering product or service, hence affecting the traditional business models and encouraging the new business models. Industry 4.0 is transforming jobs and requires skills which have impact on the working environment and skill development. With more robot and smart machine is involved in the daily operation, The physical and virtual world are fastened together, thus launching transformation in the working environment.
My name is Nur Halwani binti Chekmat and I will present about new sustainable trend in IR 4.0. As we can see for these slides, I will explain 6 things in new sustainable trend in IR 4.0. Okay, first of all, it's about the IoT. IoT is a Internet of Things. IoT is a modern manufacturing ecosystem that combines intelligent and robots, advanced predictive intelligence, and communication between machines and humans that increase use of sensors on physical goods that helps people and other physical systems to collect, process, and transmit data. The use of IoT helps to organize and synchronize the transfer of goods and information effectively. Second is the role of big data in Industry 4.0. Manufacturing companies should realize that providing data processing capabilities to drive digital innovation is crucial. Real-time data processing from many different sources is activated by big data analysis and technology exploiting big data information to accelerate resilience requires new problems to be addressed, such as how to ensure consistency and confidently of data in a long dynamic supply chain. Third is about the Cloud Integrated CPS. In Business 4.0, cloud computing can typically be used for better data exchange across organizational boundaries by putting systems online. They can increase system efficiency, increase mobility and flexibility, and lower costs. Fourth is about the simulations and prototype. In computer models, simulations and prototype can use real-time data to reflect the physical environment until the actual actions. The operator can monitor and improve the system setting for the next product that fits the virtual environment. To analyze cyber threats using a bifurcation control approach, modeling techniques are used of digital twins to model actions of computer operations interactively, which is prototype. 5 is about the 3D printing and augmented reality. Additive techniques will make a significant contribution to Industry 4.0. They will help the organization produce a small of products tailored to the construction's advantage. High-performance additive manufacturing system will reduce the distance of transports and available stock. Then, the need for the use of 3D printing technology as a smart manufacturing enabler. Lastly, is about the robotic system. Modern robots are characterized as systems that offer autonomy, flexibility, and cooperation. It is predicted that robots will immediately begin to interact with each other and work safely with humans. These robots will offer excellent cost advantages and capabilities doing most of the processes in a smart factory. So that's all from me. Thank you.
In conclusion, the deployment or the productivity scenario we motivate will create higher levels of automation in the manufacturing industry. Brandage will cut out middlemen by cutting out middlemen. In return, consumers will buy the products at a cheaper price. Second, research is needed into both social and economic sustainability. Policymakers would benefit from scenario structural, functional, and qualitative aspects. Lastly, Sustainable cannot be achieved by dealing with one aspect, but has three bottom lines. The use of technology such as Industry 4.0 is highly encouraged. More funds should be set aside by governments to conduct research and development to get ahead of the worst scenarios. That's all from us. Thank you.